guys, it's Gina, and I want to thank the brand Prairie City Bakery for sending me over these amazing snacks. Now, I got to be honest with you, I really wanted to try them for the first time right on camera, but I literally started snacking on them before I even got home from opening the box. I want to go over a little bit about all of the flavors that they sent over. These are packaged, ready to go, easy to throw into a lunchbox or easy to throw in a purse. The name is Ooey Gooey, and these are all different flavors of butter cake. So they have that ooey gooey buttery texture, and it's got a cake base. So this is the chocolate chip ooey butter cake. And if you look inside, it actually has a little bit of a chocolate layer and then this ooey gooey butter flavor on top with chocolate chips all throughout. And I'm going to tell you, it's so moist, it's so delicious. I actually like the idea of this warmed up with ice cream. I want you to see the texture of it. It's got a nice texture on it. It's hard to describe. It just feels amazing when you're eating it. This is a great treat. It's the kind of treat that works great as an afternoon pick-me-up, as a lunchbox dessert. You can have that as a little treat at work. You can keep it some in the pantry for when guests come over. There's just so many different uses for this. Again, I like the idea of heating it up first and putting it with a little ice cream. That just sounds like it's phenomenal. This is a more of a bakery style dessert. Let's say if you're thinking of those kind of prepackaged snacks that you can purchase in your local grocery store, this takes it up a notch. You can't compare this to that. Let's take a look at the flavors. This one is birthday cake, the key lime ooey gooey butter cake. I cannot wait to try this one, cinnamon. Then you have peanut butter chocolate chip. This will probably end up being another one of my favorites. The one I've already started eating, chocolate chip. Then we have the original butter cake, which I gotta admit, I already ate one of these two. Then you have the lemon flavored and sea salt caramel. So many options to choose from. I will say this is a really great find. Highly recommend. If you're looking for a delicious, fun new snack / dessert, Prairie City Bakery gives us amazing options. This is a really good find.